It is a winter wonderland outside, and we'll go out there in a minute and see that when we see the other side of this wall. But because of the winter weather, because of the snow and the ice, no progress on the roof to show with the solar panel installation, but they came today and did some electrical work, so let's take a look. So we've got our main electric box there. We have the junction going down, over, and out. That's as fancy as it is right now inside. Long term, just to give a sneak peek, my goal is to get a battery bank set up. Now that may not happen in here. It might be through an EV outside that plugs into the whole system, charges from the solar panels. The EV then does the vehicle to grid and vehicle to, oh, what is it? No, vehicle to something. I'm not an expert yet. I haven't done a huge amount of research because I want to see the solar panels in and operating and it all working before I go gangbusters down the rabbit hole with my ADHD brain digging into that. I got other things to worry about. But let's go outside and take a look at the boxes on the outside. Winter Wonderland. We got a little bit of snow, then we got ice and sleet, and then more snow. So it's nice and packed and slippery. But here's the progress outside. So main electric box goes down over behind me to the pole, and we've got 3 new things. That I know is an on-off switch, right? Something bad happens, power that off. These other 2, I'm sure I'm going to learn what those are going to be as we make more progress here. But you can see up on the roof there, we've got ice and snow, and that's 100% fine. I'm not in a hurry. Mealworms and kids have taught me patience. Still practicing, but getting better. And so no rush to get up there. Let nature get it all gone so the guys are safe, nobody falls. That's the goal. And then eventually we'll have solar here, but more updates to come.